Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this PySpark video series, we'll learn how to use the map keys and map values function. Okay, how to use this function and what is the requirements of for using this function. We'll see today's video. Okay, so let's go to our notebook. So this is our notebook. Okay. So we have already seen how to use the explode function in our last video. Okay, it is already here. You can go to my uh, channel, which is cognitive coder, and you can search the playlist, PySpark playlist. Here you will get all the videos. Okay, videos are in sequence. Please go and watch the videos from the past, then you will get to understand the thing. Okay, so the exploit function already last year we have seen what is the thing, how to use the exploit function and what is map type column. This also we have seen how to use this, and what is the map type column basically. The data, how the data are getting populated in data sheet using the map type function. Okay, तो बेसिकली मैप टाइप फंक्शन क्या होता है? मैप टाइप फंक्शन बेसिकली वैल्यू को की वैल्यू पेयर में स्टोर करता है. ओके, तो इस बेसिकली डिक्शनरी का फॉर्मेट में वैल्यू को भेजता है. ठीक है, तो तो whenever we use the explode function, तो डेटा कैसे आता है? तो डेटा विल कम लाइक दिस. ओके, की वैल्यू पेयर में हाउ मेनी डेटा वी हैव. ओके, मेन जो डिवाइस नेम है ये प्रॉपर्टीज के हिसाब से अलग अलग करके दिखाता है. डिफरेंट बेस्ड ऑन प्रॉपर्टी इट विल शो डिफरेंट. ओके, multiple time it will show. Okay, so but in today's topic, map keys and map keys. So using map keys, what we will get? Let's see. Before that, we will import this function first. Map keys. So, we'll take one new column and there the keys value will store. Okay, so you can see for when you will use the export function, जब export function use करते हैं तो तब डेटा कैसे कैलकुलेट होता है. मेन डिवाइस नेम मल्टीपल टाइम आके की वैल्यू के हिसाब से ये डिफरेंट टाइप शो करता है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे व्हाट हियर इट इज हैपनिंग डिवाइस नेम ऑफ सेम वन टाइम in if for each device name the keys are here separately in a list it is coming. Okay, when you use it for the values, you get to see how it will come. Let's see first. So key value function name is key value. So if we will use it here, 1 minute, we check what is the error. Value will give map value. We check and now I'll just take it. Basically after importing the map values, I will have run the same. That's why so now it is done. So you can see the values are stored in a list and in a single row. So this is the main funda of map and map values. I hope you have understood the concept. You can also do like this only. You take this and you can input it. You can take it, write the code here, and here also we can show both key and value in a single data set. Okay. So I hope you have understood the concept. It's a simple concept. Okay. Simple but useful function which I am showing you. I'm continuously uploading the function which is the basic return is Spark, the main tool. Okay. Please go and watch all the videos so that you will get to understand. Okay. So this is also a simple function, but it's much useful in our Spark activities. Okay. Spark ETL activity. So I hope you understood the concept. If you like my video, please do like and share with your friends so that they will get the benefit. Okay. And also please subscribe our YouTube channel. So basically, if you like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, so that algorithm will much populate our channel, and it will also support us. Okay. Please support us to grow our channel. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in next video. Bye.